Box cover, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my box foot essay. Elaine Thompson, what make you bad so?
Bad girls give it well.
Somebody on me had a easy and a bill back. Not even remember say 200 meter race that go on. Next thing me know, dog bite me, me jump over a fence.
Windows and doors.
You know, so me I watch too much local TV though. So everybody line up and I get ready for the race. Elaine Thompson are the only Jamaican who are in at the finals. No Shelly, no VCB, and no Simone. Just she won. But me kind of WhatsApp her earlier and she told me say everything would be alright.
And I am not afraid to try it on my own.
So I say, okay, choky. Because, you know, she love ready hula hoop them around her neck. To be honest, only 3 girls in the final, me the kind of fret-ish bout. The bow, E-girl, Capleton, cause her ear ever say,
more fire.
And Dolphin Slippers, aka Schweppes. I don't know why she always want to come intimidate me through my TV screen. The gun go off. Mr. Elaine take off like a road runner. Run, girl! Take we are gonna take it to them room ram. Run like a barrel there, warfare. Mr. she take the lead.
Thompson is there.
At same time, we get a flashback to when VCB did their Olympics.
Straight away, Veronica Campbell, Aileen Bailey, Allison Felix.
Box cover, my only see Slippers kicking our leftover Sunday Monday gear.
There. Thompson has.
Me say no, but I don't know why I never just easy and Bill. I only see Elaine just surge past the little Dutch girl.
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side.
Bap, gold! People, when I see Elaine cross the finish line first and win the race there, I start celebrate so much, I think I could have joined one choir. Them favor iron donkey, them favor iron donkey, them favor iron donkey on the track. So when you see the Slippers running, you rule you and you come first. Big it up, make a Slippers reverse. She and small change need for start power and go look at work in a Pokemon.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Small change, Slippers. On the all pre-ocean that tried the diving thing but just couldn't find the
Formula.
About here freestyle cross the finish line. Where I try to find Nemo. I feel sorry for her though. My girl start run till her leg them start stammer. What she a die for? Then again, me the kind of hear say Elephant Man was our coach. Daphne come like artist at US Embassy. All she a try if I get denied. Why Slippers did a vex up her mouth so till it favor crush Kalaloo?
In the hope that she could get there and win the gold.
Boy, I'm not like, I'm happy for Elaine Thompson. 100 meter, gold. 200 meter, gold. I want to start talking about the relay yet. Elaine is now actually the first woman to win both the 100 meter and the 200 meter at an Olympic Games in 28 years. Wednesday, August 18, 2016. Elaine Thompson make history. I don't know why I'm surprised. Cartel they don't say it.
Me say history class up on Wednesday.
That's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show.
Big up to all the Caribbean people and the new subscribers that are enjoying the movement and part of this Dirty Berry movement. Thank you so much. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. I'm still trying to reach 90,000 subscribers. So tell a friend, share the video, make them subscribe too. You get me? Take care. Until next time. Hi. Are you bitter? Are you sick and tired of someone always getting ahead of you? Well, no need to fear, because I'm here with the latest model of Dolphin Slippers. It's waterproof and ranges from lanes 1 to 9. Dolphin Slippers, where the harder you run is the harder you fall. Come for the slippers, yeah, girl.